5. Body parts. You must wash daily to stay healthy and live a longer life. Are you secretly sabotaging your health without even realizing it? Imagine this. Two people, both in their 70s. One is vibrant, energetic, and full of life, while the other struggles with fatigue, infections, and declining health. What's the difference? It's not just genetics or luck. It's something as simple as how they take care of their body every day. Most of us follow the same hygiene routines we've had for decades, showering, brushing our teeth, maybe applying lotion. But what if I told you there are 5 hidden areas of your body that you're probably neglecting? These overlooked spots could be silently harming your health, leading to chronic inflammation, infections, and even complications like heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline. But here's the good news. Fixing this takes just minutes a day, and the benefits can be life-changing. From fresher breath and better balance to fewer aches and improved sleep, these small habits can add years to your life. Stick with me until the end, because by the time we're done, you'll have 5 actionable tips that could transform your health. And it all starts with one surprising body part: your tongue. 1. Your tongue, the hidden health risk you never think about. Your tongue isn't just a muscle. It's a breeding ground for over 700 types of bacteria. Harmful bacteria from your tongue can enter your bloodstream through tiny cuts or inflamed gums, potentially leading to serious health issues. Cleaning your tongue is simple. Use a tongue scraper daily, scraping gently from back to front. This habit can improve your sense of taste, boost immunity, and eliminate bad breath. 2. Your feet, the foundation of your health. Neglecting foot hygiene can lead to infections, nerve damage, and mobility issues. Wash your feet thoroughly, paying attention to the spaces between your toes. Dry them completely, especially between the toes, to prevent fungal infections. Moisturize the tops and soles, but avoid lotion between the toes. Inspect your feet daily for warning signs like discoloration, swelling, or persistent soreness. 3. Your armpits, more than just sweat and odor. Your armpits house lymph nodes that filter toxins and support your immune system. Clogged pores in this area can lead to irritation, rashes, and infections. Cleanse your underarms gently with mild soap, rinse thoroughly, and dry them properly. Avoid harsh deodorants and let your skin breathe before applying products. 4. Your nose. Breathe better, live better. Your nose is your body's natural air filter, designed to remove dust, allergens, and bacteria. Poor nasal hygiene can lead to congestion, snoring, and reduced oxygen flow to the brain. Use saline sprays or a neti pot to clear irritants, and practice steam treatments to loosen mucus. Blow your nose gently, one nostril at a time, to avoid worsening congestion. 5. Your belly button, a small area with big impact. Believe it or not, your belly button can harbor bacteria, sweat, and dead skin cells, causing odor and discomfort. Clean it regularly with warm water and mild soap, and dry it thoroughly. If you have a pierced belly button, pay extra attention to cleaning around the jewelry to prevent infections. These 5 simple habits, cleaning your tongue, caring for your feet, maintaining your armpits, practicing nasal hygiene, and keeping your belly button fresh, can make a world of difference in your overall health. Start implementing them today, and you'll notice improvements in energy, comfort, and confidence. Which of these tips surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more science-backed tips to help you live your best life. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.